Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? So far, we have shown you how you can use the COC 4, KOC 4 G code to automate this cost analysis report for multiple years, and all by just clicking on the execute button, and it will come up. In the end, you will have a compared sheet, and having uh, all the years, all the desired years are listed, and with all the uh, means the report is complete in respect of your all the required desired years, right? The next is the menu. Double click in here on a certain say uh, on an element in which you want to take a you want to get the detail of a breakup of a figure, then you can just double click on this, right? And it is going to list you down for this particular controlling area, for this particular controlling document, right? So, so this is a production order, and when you double click on it, now it is taking you to the desired report, and it will list you down. It will list down um, that particular area, means that particular order number, right? And then you will see that uh, now it has made it ready for you. Okay. One thing more we would like to do is that why not if it goes further and drill it down further. So for this we would the script we would record the script by the scripting, right? Uh, and the record scripting so that we can we can use this script, um, the code of double clicking on it, right? So what we do here is we double click on it. Now it is being recorded, right? Okay. The next is we double click on the this raw material consumption order, right? Okay. So we double click in here as well. Good. So these two those commands are ready. Now, we stop the recording, and we try to do this. We will try to see what is the code. Okay? We stop the recording. The file is now ready, and we go to our folder in which the script 5 has been created, and we edit it. Okay? We edit it, so we are interested in these two commands. Right? Okay. So we copy this code and take it directly to our code in here, right? We we go to view code in here, and we paste this code right here. Okay. So it is going to do the double clicking mm, as required by you, so that the breakup of the material consumption is in front of you, right? Okay. So let's see if this functions as we expect or not. So let's see that we take this one. Okay. Uh, yeah, 1225. We have this. Okay, so breakup of 17,818. What is the consumption for? Okay, so let's double click on it. You see immediately it is now closing the previous thing, and now it is taking you back, and it is now executing the report with the desired production order. Okay, so this time it is saying that this thing is not possible. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what we do here is so it has done the double click because there was no data. All right. There was no data. That's why it has appeared. Okay. So what we do here, that we write here that on error, resume next. And here we say on error, sorry, go to 0. That's it. So this is some additional commands which you want. In case of any error, please just ignore that and do it. Okay, so this is what it has done, and you can see that your record is, since you do not have any cost elements listed in it, so that's why this will happen. Okay, so let's try it to mm, some other code, because this was a finished code material, right? Okay. Okay, what we do is we choose something else. This, okay. Mm, okay, so this is fine. Now we take you to the Excel sheet and we take something different, the material consumption of this one, right? 1210. Okay, let's double click on it and you see that it is now closing the screen and it is taking you, yeah, it is now starting with the user, and now it has double clicked on it and it has come up with the desired material consumption report. Okay, so this is 1210, yes, 1012, the right production order number, and these are the material consumption report, and it is tallied with the breakup of 26 to 91 is shown in here. Okay, we go there and you see the breakup of 26 to 91. Okay, so if we change this thing to some other controlling area, let's run on. This is a finish. Here one semi-finished group. Okay, and we do the double click in here. So let's see what it does. It first of all closes or anything which is previously left open. So it will close and then it will come up with your desired material consumption. If you see, so this is the material consumption of 1142 and 14,000. The breakup of 14,035 is with such quantities. Okay, so it's working. So how is it easy? You see how to incorporate all the scripting of SAP, taking it from the recorded script and putting them in our uh, program, and it is adopted. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in our next video.